My gang will get you. Let's reinvent the gods, all the myths of the ages. Celebrate symbols from deep elder forests. Have you forgotten the lessons of the ancient war? We need great golden copulations. The fathers are cackling in trees of the forest. Our mother is dead in the sea. You know we are being led to slaughters by placid admirals, and that fat, slow generals are getting obscene on young blood. You know we are ruled by TV. The moon is a dry blood beast. Guerrilla bands are rolling numbers in the next block of green vine, amassing for warfare on innocent herdsmen who are just dying. O great creator of being, grant us one more hour to perform our art and perfect our lives. The moths and atheists are doubly divine and dying. We live, we die, and death not ends it. Journey we more into the nightmare, cling to life, our passion flower, cling to cunts and cocks of despair. We got our final vision by clap. Columbus's groin got filled with green death. I touched her thigh and death smiled. We have assembled inside this ancient and insane theater to propagate our lust for life and flee the swarming wisdom of the streets. The barns are stormed, the windows kept, and only one of all the rest to dance and save us with the divine mockery of words. Music inflames temperament. True king's murderers are allowed to roam free. 1,000 magicians arise in the land. Where are the feasts we were promised? Where is the wine, the new wine, dying on the vine?
Scattered on dawn's highway bleeding. Ghosts crowd the young child's fragile eggshell mind. Blood in the streets in the town of New Haven. Blood stains the roofs and the palm trees of Venice. Blood in my love in the terrible summer. Bloody red sun of fantastic LA. The brain and chop off the fingers. Blood will be born in the birth of a nation. Blood is the rose of mysterious union. Blood on the rise is following me.
Indian, Indian, what did you die for? Indian says nothing at all. Gently they stir, gently rise, the dead or newborn awakening, with ravaged limbs and wet souls, gently they sigh in rapt funeral amazement. Who called these dead to dance? Was it the young woman learning to play the ghost song in her baby grand? Was it the wilderness children Was it the ghost god himself, stuttering, cheering, chatting blindly? I called you up to anoint the earth. I called you to announce sadness falling like burned skin. I called you to wish you well, to glory in self like a new monster, and now I call on you to pray. Your home is still here, inviolate and certain. Thank you, O Lord, for the white blind light, jumped, humped, born to suffer, made to undress in the wilderness. All of us have found a safe niche where we can store up riches and talk to our fellows. On the same premise of disaster. Thank you, O Lord, for the white blind light. Let me tell you about heartache and the loss of God, wandering, wandering at hopeless night. Moonshine night, mountain village, insane in the woods and the deep trees. In the deep trees. In the deep trees. Your home is still here, in the deep trees, inviolate and certain. Oh, I want to be there. I want us to be there. Oh, I want to be there, beside the lake, beneath the moon. Cool and swollen, dripping its hot liquor. I want to be there. Thank you, O Lord, for the white blind light. A city rises from the sea. Let me tell you about heartache and the loss of God, wandering, wandering at hopeless night. Let me show you the maiden with wrought iron soul. Out here in the perimeter there are no stars. Out here we is stone, immaculate. Stoned, immaculate. Stoned, immaculate. Immaculate. Stoned, immaculate. Thank you, O Lord, for the white, blind light. Bird of prey, bird of prey, flying high, flying high in the summer sky. Bird of prey, bird of prey, flying high, flying high, gently pass on by. Bird of prey, bird of prey, flying high, flying high. Am I going to die? Bird of prey, bird of prey, flying high, flying high. Bird of prey, bird of prey, flying high. Am I going to die? Bird of prey, bird of